Right, we have a 2004 Buick Lacrosse. Customer complaint is that nothing blows out of the HVAC motors. We've got it set, so looks like they're just not blowing at all. I suspect the blower motor, it's located underneath the glove compartment, underneath this cover. There's a few little things in here holding it. We gotta pop these things out. I'm getting ready to pop these out. It looks like there's two of them. And then once I pop those out, I'll be able to get to my blower motor. I'm gonna test to make sure it's getting power and ground and jump it directly to see if it works. So these things are a little tricky. Let's go ahead and pop them out. And see if I can get it done. Just put this down for just a second here. Okay, so it does pop out, just kind of got to be rough with it. See if I can show you exactly what I did. Try on it and put a flat head. And boom, eventually you can pop it out. It's a two-part clip. There we go. So you can see it's one of those two-part clips. The retainer and then the locker. So now that we've got that out the way and we have access to this, all right, and here we can see my blower motor. Now as you can see here, we've got the main harness, two wires, it's a power and a ground. This goes through a resistor or module, which I see it looks like here. This is what controls the speeds. But anyhow, right here I should be getting power and ground. Let me unplug this real quick. Unplug this. There we go. Now that that's unplugged right here, I want to check this for power and ground. And if I need to, I'll give this power and ground directly. Alright, so I've got my test light here and I've got it to ground. So right now I'm looking for power. And as you can see, this purple wire, it's power. Alright, so now I'm going to check for ground. That black one should be ground. So let me get my test light switched to positive now so I can check it for ground. Alright, so I've got my test light connected to a positive now, so it's going to light for ground there. So that black one is ground, purple one is positive, so I'm getting power and ground. So that means that this motor is burnt out. Now just to double check, I'm just going to give it power and ground directly. So it goes that way. So the red is going to be my voltage. Alright, so I'm going to give this thing power. And as you can see, what I'm going to do is that right tip right there, I'm going to connect 12 volts to it. So give me 1 minute. Alright, so I've got my power. Now I'm going to give it ground. All I'm using here, guys, is a set of long jumper wires. They're just plugged into the battery. So now I'm going to connect it to ground. And I should have this blower motor should be working. If it doesn't work, it's because it's no good. See? Here we have it. I've got it power, I've got it ground. We've already verified that we're getting power and ground from the harness. So this blower motor is bad. Verified. Follow up on the next video. I'll show you how to replace it.